What happens when GMC decides that four wheels simply aren't enough? Meet the all-new 2027 GMC 66 STEELBOON, a massive off-road beast that takes truck performance, luxury, and road presence to an entirely new level. This is not just another pickup truck. It's a machine designed to dominate highways, deserts, mountains, and just about anything that gets in its way. If you've ever wondered what the future of extreme trucks looks like, you're looking at it right now. At first glance, the STEELBOON looks absolutely intimidating. The stretched body, aggressive stance, and six-wheel configuration immediately separate it from every other truck on the road. GMC has given this monster a bold front fascia featuring a massive illuminated grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that screams power. The widened fenders perfectly accommodate the extra axle and oversized, all-terrain tires, creating a commanding appearance from every angle. Heavy-duty skid plates, rugged side steps, and premium off-road accessories complete the package, making it look ready for adventure before the engine even starts. Moving around the truck, the sheer size becomes even more impressive. The longer cargo bed offers exceptional utility, while the reinforced frame ensures maximum durability for demanding workloads and off-road exploration. The rear six-wheel setup isn't just for show. It improves traction, stability, and load-carrying capability, making the STEELBOON one of the most capable trucks GMC has ever produced. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that combines luxury with rugged functionality. GMC has equipped the STEELBOON with premium leather seating, real metal accents, and high-quality materials throughout the interior. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Drivers can access navigation, vehicle diagnostics, entertainment, and off-road data through an intuitive interface designed for both convenience and performance. Passengers will appreciate the spacious seating and generous legroom. Heated and ventilated seats, multi-zone climate control, wireless charging, and a premium surround sound audio system create an upscale experience that rivals many luxury SUVs. Advanced connectivity features ensure that drivers remain connected no matter where their adventures take them. Under the hood, the 2027 GMC 66 STEELBOON delivers serious performance. Rumors suggest a high-output twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing well over 700 horsepower, paired with a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides explosive acceleration despite the truck's massive size. The advanced six-wheel drive system continuously distributes power to maximize grip on challenging terrain. Whether you're climbing rocky trails, crossing muddy paths, or cruising through deep sand, the suspension system has been specifically engineered to handle extreme conditions. Adaptive dampers and heavy-duty components provide exceptional comfort on paved roads while maintaining outstanding capability off-road. Multiple drive modes allow the driver to tailor performance for different environments, ensuring confidence in virtually any situation. Technology also plays a major role in the STEELBOON experience. GMC has included an extensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, trailer guidance systems, and advanced camera views that make maneuvering this giant truck surprisingly manageable. As for pricing, the 2027 GMC 626 STEELBOON is expected to occupy the premium end of the market. Industry estimates suggest a starting price around $150,000, with fully equipped models potentially exceeding $200,000 and depending on options and customization packages. While that's certainly a significant investment, buyers will be getting one of the most unique, capable, and attention-grabbing trucks ever produced. The 27 GMC 656 STEELBOON isn't just transportation. It's a statement. It's built for those who refuse to blend in, demand extreme capability, and want a vehicle that turns heads everywhere it goes. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a truck collector, or simply someone who appreciates engineering taken to the extreme, this incredible six-wheeled powerhouse is impossible to ignore.